Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and functionalities of two popular ice makers, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the COWSAR Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver convenience and efficiency, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's find out. When it comes to daily ice production, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker stands out with its impressive capacity of 33 pounds of chewable pellet ice per day. This makes it an excellent choice for parties and gatherings where ice is in high demand. On the other hand, the COWSAR Ice Maker offers a respectable 26.5 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, which is still sufficient for home use and smaller events. If you frequently host large gatherings, the Ecozy model may be the better option. Both ice makers feature self-cleaning functions, which is a significant advantage for busy users. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker simplifies maintenance with its one-touch cleaning feature, ensuring that your machine stays hygienic with minimal effort. Similarly, the COWSAR Ice Maker also boasts an easy self-cleaning process, making it user-friendly and convenient. This feature is essential for maintaining the quality of ice and prolonging the lifespan of the machines. Portability is another critical factor to consider. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker features a sleek design with a handle, making it easy to transport for outdoor events or parties. Meanwhile, the COWSAR Ice Maker is designed with portability in mind, being lightweight and compact, perfect for camping trips or small kitchens. Both machines are designed to fit seamlessly into various settings, but if you prioritize a more stylish look, the Ecozy model may appeal to you more. In conclusion, both the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the COWSAR Ice Maker offer unique advantages. The Ecozy model excels in daily ice production and stylish design, while the COWSAR model is a more budget-friendly option with great portability. Depending on your needs, either could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.